Just as an engine needs all the gears working in sync with one another to move forward, AIS's large array of products and services enables us to create customized solutions for your business challenges. In return, your organization will be enabled to effectively create, collaborate, connect, and communicate with customers and employees. From managing your network, technology planning, phone and VoIP technologies, content and document management solutions, to providing output devices such as copiers, laser and 3D printers, AIS is fully equipped to positively impact all areas of your business. So we embarked on a journey to answer those very questions. A lengthy research initiative determined what was most important to our clients and prospects and what they looked for in a valued partner. Surprisingly, it was not products nor pricing, not even awards received, or whether we were a locally owned and operated business. Instead, clients and prospects wanted responsiveness to service calls, quick resolution to equipment repairs, one-call resolution service calls, and lastly, accurate invoicing. When we broke down the research and metrics, this is what we found, that clients and prospects want to know what we have done and are currently doing, not just make them promises. The saying, "the best predictor of future behavior is past behavior," has never been so true. So what are AIS's past behaviors when it comes to the top things our clients and prospects are looking for? Responsiveness. In 2017, AIS responded to and repaired 24,145 service calls. Of those 24,145 calls, we responded on-site and repaired within 1 hour 3,046 calls. This is over 12%. We responded on-site and repaired within 2 hours 7,625 calls, over 31% of the time. In 2017, AIS's average response time for all of our customers is 2.3 hours. Our competitors say they will respond within 4 hours or less. Well, that's about the same amount of time we will take to have you back up and running. Quick resolution. The reason we can provide such extraordinary service and response times to our clients is simple. We plan, certify our technicians, and always keep on stock the most commonly required parts and supplies, with over $5.2 million in inventory. Stock on hand, whether it be toner or a replacement part, eliminates the amount of time our clients are down. One-call resolution. Due to our planning, inventory, and training, we were able to achieve a 92% first call resolution for our clients in 2017. This means that out of 24,145 service calls, 22,113 were resolved by our technicians the first time they were dispatched to a client, whether it be because of a part in their car stock or because of how highly trained our technicians are. Accurate invoicing. As business owners, we know dealing with inaccurate, incorrect, and hard-to-understand invoices can be frustrating. A vendor's ability to fix invoice issues in a timely manner is crucial. This is one of the areas AIS also takes great pride in. In 2017, AIS sent a total of 67,105 invoices. Out of all those invoices, only 1.2% generated any type of questions. That is 98.8% invoice accuracy, and that is a good thing. AIS also participates in Net Promoter Score, which is an independent customer satisfaction survey tool that ensures we are delivering a high level of customer service to our clients. Clients receive a survey that asks one simple question: would you recommend this company to friends and family? Scores range from 1 to 10, with 9 to 10 being a promoter of our business and 8 and below being a detractor. AIS are ranked among some of the largest companies in the U.S. that are known for great customer service. Companies like USAA, Amazon, Southwest, Apple, etc. range in Net Promoter Scores ranging of 70 to 80%. AIS is considered one of the top 50 service providers in the U.S. and Canada, with a rating 93.4%. We take great pride in this achievement and speaks volumes of AIS's commitment to excellence. The best predictor of future behavior is past behavior. So what are our current clients saying about their experience with AIS? In closing, AIS recognizes you have choices in selecting your valued technology providers. We hope the little bit of information we shared with you about AIS will give you a better understanding of who we are and what makes us unique. We, along with your knowledgeable consultant, would like to continue the conversation about your business needs and the solutions we have to address them. Thank you for your time. AIS, one company, many solutions.